I just want to know, say, all of the people them from Trinidad who say that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It's like you ask just that for me poor. All right.
And most of you at this time, you all are discrediting Beenie Man, using disparaging remarks. I will tell you that his statement is both scientifically factual and also rooted in superstitious practices. Now, I want to address the real issue because you all are talking about doubles and dogs. But I want to talk about the double dealing, dishonest, deceitful, deceptive, and disingenuous nature of most of you Trinidadians.
So people, Beenie Man come out and apologize for disrespecting the Trinidadian them national dish, one of them national dish, the doubles. But we don't know, say, a politician lady come out who goes by the name of Kizel Jackson came out and confirming that Beenie Man wasn't wrong by saying that the doubles that he had, it never tastes good, it never sit right with him and he never like it, and him give him dog and him dog never like it. So the lady come out, Kizel Jackson come out and I say, yo, Beenie Man not wrong, and she confirm it, say him right by saying that the doubles not taste good and it have a bad smell to it. So me I play the video for you to hear the lady and hear what she say. And a Jamaican person did that say same thing too, I guess. And in the comment section over TikTok, a lot of people say them hear about this story about the doubles, saying that a lot of times them hear about say, oh, the doubles, them I use dead water for make the dough and all sort of things. So listen what the lady I say.
While most of you at this time, you all are discrediting Beenie Man, using disparaging remarks, I will tell you that his statement is both scientifically factual and also rooted in superstitious practices. Now, I want to address the real issue because you all are talking about doubles and dogs, but I want to talk about the double dealing, dishonest, deceitful, deceptive, and disingenuous nature of most of you Trinidadians. Now, most of you coming out, I see minister coming out with doubles in their hand, eating doubles. Everybody buy a doubles vendor. But allow me to address those double vendors, because the real issue we should be addressing is why people are buying dead water. You all are purchasing the water that they use to bathe the dead. Many of them, not all of them, many of those double vendors are purchasing dead water. Why? It is rooted in some of their spiritual and superstitious practices. They believe that the water possesses mystical powers to bring good fortune. They believe that the dead water is spiritually potent. So they are using it in making their doubles, and they're using it. Some people use it to mop their business places. You all are not going to address the truth. But that's why I stand here, because I am my raw, authentic self at all times. I am not coming here for curry favor of none. I am not going to fan your feathers when I need to pluck those feathers. Those feathers need to be plucked. Stop engaging in these uncanny practices. And yes, also for scientific reason, dogs may not like doubles. Why? Dogs, like humans, they have preferences, they have tastes. Dogs typically dislike and are less likely to eat things with strong scents. For example, chili peppers, garlic and ginger, they belong to the allium family, and the compounds can be harmful to the dogs if ingested. So when we are dealing with these things, like strong perfume, strong household cleaner, dogs will avoid that because it can be overpowering, and these pungent odors, they just do not appeal to their sense of smell. So scientifically, we know that most of these doubles making, they will use a lot of onion and garlic and sometimes pepper. So there are scientific reasons why the dogs may not want to eat the doubles, and also superstitious practices. And I want you all to address it. I am the leader of All People's Party, and I will address some of these taboo and some of these unspoken issues that we have that plague our society. You all are rooted in deceit and deception. You all are comfortable to hide behind a lie. And you all go, you all on an outrage against Beenie Man as though he committed some sort of sin. Huh? The truth is the truth. Many of you doubles vendors are using dead water. Water that they use, the last water that they use to bathe the dead. Do you want me to outline it? Do you want me to highlight the many funeral homes that sell dead water? As a matter of fact, by a certain time, the dead water is sold out. And where there is a demand, there will always be supply because of some of these spiritual uncanny practices. Let us deal with the demonic issues in this nation that is plaguing us. You all want to sweep it under the carpet. But I, Kizelle Jackson, political leader of all People's Party, I say I'm coming with a new form of leadership. Listen to me. I am not trying to win you with lies and deception. I will unearth it. I thank you this morning. I thank you this morning. Dogs and doubles, let's deal with it.
Come here and listen and stop here. So right now, me no want to go nowhere else. Me want to no listen to one because the one are true. The doubles vendors over Trinidad are using dead water as a ritual to make their doubles in order for their doubles to sell. The doubles are made by that dead water. That's why dogs are rejecting the doubles, because the doubles is full with spice mixed with the dead water, and dogs are very sensitive to what they eat, including that spice and that toxic ammonia. Every funeral home book out selling dead water. You see? When dead water is in demand in Trinidad. So when you see Beenie Man come now and reject the doubles, and you see them start bash Beenie Man, this lady I want to see in the stitcher with me. She come out and tell you the real truth about the doubles vendors that are using the dead water from the funeral home to make the doubles. It's a ritual they're doing all these years, and they're hiding it. They even buy the dead water, and some of them use it to mop out them shop people. See the truth bust out now. So right now, Beenie Man, may go give you 1 crown. Cause you see, if you never did a fight against cartel for the crown of the king, right now you would be king of Trinidad. But one thing again, you couldn't get to go back to Trinidad because they would have try and poison you if you leak out that secret here. People, this is true reason why Beenie Man did come up and say, dog, no name doubles, so him na name doubles. You see? So, in everything is a two-sided of the story. So, Beenie Man was right when him say him na name doubles.
Here is Beenie Man about to apologize to the Trinidadian people them for what him say about them.
I just want to know, say, all of the people them from Trinidad who say that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It's like you ask just that for me poor. Alright? I try to eat the doubles. And then eat the doubles that I did. That seriously I did. All the doubles people them can tell us say I did. But when we go some boom and choke the thing for the dog them don't eat it. It's not a disrespect to Trinidad. None at all whatsoever. None at all whatsoever. I am greatly apologizing to all Trinidadians that live around the world that eat doubles. When we say it was a joke, but when Unu say it in a so jokeful. So I just want to know, say, I not disrespect no Trinidadian, none at all, never. I will never ever do that. That Trinidad is my country. When we go, even when I have nothing to do, we just buy a ticket and go to Trinidad. Yeah, all carnival me there at Trinidad.
I want to think about this whole doubles thing, cause in a more sense, me eat from different culture, but still some of the time you have to really know what you're eating, and you have to have an understanding of what the culture food like. Well, I'm not gonna say doubles is the worst thing or it's the best thing. I never eat it before, so I can't judge it. But at the same time, you just have to know where you eat, and everybody culture different, and everybody like things in a different way to them own preference. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section. You know already, man. A Vibes and Insight with Nando. And this is another one. Bam. Out.